We are in the southern part of Germany, in the region of Lake Constance. This is our flight route. We make a round trip of about 90 kilometers. This is my aircraft. It's early in the morning and the grass is still wet, so I use the thrust of the propeller to blow dry the area where I want to lay the glider. Then I spread the wing and we are ready to go. Yay! Airborne! Early in the morning, there's still fog in the air. We are free as a bird. What a great feeling! Flying around the world. Who has not dreamed of that? Now we're flying over Hegau. This is an area with many volcanoes that were active 40 million years ago. In the Middle Ages, a castle was built on every volcano. The largest one is Hohenwil Castle, right next to Singen. Now we fly along the Metnau Peninsula at Lake Constance. What a pity! The battery of the camera is all out and there is no film about our return flight. After 90 minutes flight, we return to our airfield. Now we have earned a good breakfast and enjoyed the day in the sun. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my adventures.